All right, today we're going to be taking a look at the QuietComfort Ultra wireless earbuds by Bose. So these earbuds offer noise canceling technology, quiet, aware, and immersion modes, crystal clear phone calls, touch controls, and a long-lasting battery. So let's go ahead and open up the box so we can get our eyes on these earbuds and try them out. Bose is a well-known brand and their packaging is always top-notch. As soon as you open up the box, you got your wireless charging case right here on the top, which will also hold your earbuds. And then down here at the bottom, once you take out the tray, this is where you're gonna have your charging cable, as well as some additional ear tips for your earbuds, so that way you can make sure you have the perfect fitment when you change out the tips. Then you also have your instruction manual located down here in the bottom of the box as well. So here is your charging case. This comes in a matte off-white color with the Bose branding and silver right across the front. Then they also include a LED indicator here on the front. So as soon as you open up your charging case, you have a LED indicator that is located right here, and this is going to show you your charging status. First thing you're going to notice is when you take these out the charging case, these are super small, but we know Bose makes some really serious sound products, so we know that these are gonna pack a punch. So this comes in a gloss off-white color with metallic silver and the Bose branding right here on the side. And on these earbuds is something I haven't seen on any other pair of earbuds. That is an additional rubber piece that's actually gonna help secure these in your ear. So that extra rubber piece is gonna go on the inside of your eardrum, in addition to the actual tip that's gonna go inside of your ear. And these feel really secure and locked into place inside my ear as soon as I put them in. I'm gonna go ahead and pair these to my device, so that way I can give you my honest opinion on the sound quality. As soon as I opened up my mobile device and went to my Bluetooth, they popped right up on my phone. So as soon as you hit connect, it's gonna automatically download the app for the Bose earbuds. Then they have the Bose Music app right here in Google Play. I'm gonna go ahead and install that on my device. There we go, we have it installed. Now we're going to connect to a product, allow nearby devices. Connecting now, it's gonna ask me to name it. And then they have instructions right here inside the mobile app, so that way you make sure you get the perfect fitment for these earbuds. So they're basically showing you how to turn these in your ear to make sure that they're in there nice and snug, just in case you need to swap out the ear tips. Then they also have a music demo here, so that way you can instantly check out the sound quality of these earbuds. All right, so after a few minutes of trying these out, listening to some music, these things sound really good. The bass is very deep, the treble is clean, and they fit very snug in your ear. And I love the fact that they have the different modes where you can switch between immersion mode, between silent, and between motion as well. So you have a variety of options when you have these in your ear. So if you're in the market for a pair of wireless earbuds, definitely check out the Bose QuietComfort Ultra wireless earbuds. Hopefully this video helped you out with making your purchase, and I will see you on the next one.